What's up, YouTube? I'm trying to decide if I should do a giveaway or if I should sell the components. I'm leaning more towards a giveaway. I have made back my investment on all of this hardware, so I figured a giveaway would be perfect so somebody could benefit from these mid-range components. It'd be a good starter gaming system. The power supply is brand new. I bought it just for this build. It hasn't been opened yet. It's a 600 watt 80 plus rated power supply. It'd be a perfect power supply for this gaming rig. The motherboard is a Gigabyte motherboard, AM3 Plus with the FX 6300. Comes with two 4 gig DDR3 sticks, a 256 gig SSD, and the graphics card is going to be an MSI Armor RX 480. This is a pretty amazing card. The MSI cards, I haven't had any failures at all. This card has mined for over a year and it has had no issues at all. And it's all going to be put inside of a Roswell Galaxy 2 case. Let me know what you guys think. Make sure you like and subscribe.